Hello everyone, and welcome back to the TunesKit channel. We're excited to introduce the brand new version 4.0 update of TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Have you ever forgotten the Wi-Fi password saved on your iPhone? Or maybe you needed to log into a website or app but couldn't remember the password you used? Well, the new password manager feature can help with that. And later in this video, I'll also show you a new tool that can disable the camera shutter sound on supported devices. Let's get started. Feature 1. Password Manager. If you've forgotten passwords stored on your iPhone, TunesKit can now help you find and export them quickly. Here's how it works. First, launch TunesKit iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Then connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Once the device is successfully detected, click on Password Manager from the main interface. You'll now see the device connection status. Next, click Start Scanning. TunesKit will begin preparing to read the encrypted password data stored on your device. If prompted, enter your backup password and unlock your device screen. This allows the software to access the information needed to retrieve your saved passwords. It usually only takes a few moments. Once finished, all the passwords stored on your device will be neatly organized into categories. For example, Wi-Fi accounts, websites and apps, email accounts, Apple ID information. If you'd like to view a password, simply click the eye icon. And if you'd like to save the results, click Export. TunesKit can export all password records as a CSV file and save them directly to your computer. So whether you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password or need to recover login credentials, Password Manager makes the whole process quick and easy. Feature 2. Turn off camera shutter sound. This feature is especially useful for users in certain regions, such as Japan and South Korea, where camera shutter sounds cannot normally be muted. To use it, simply go to More Tools on the main screen and select Turn off camera sound. Then connect your device and follow the on-screen instructions. TunesKit will guide you through the required steps automatically. Once the process is complete, you'll be able to take photos without hearing the shutter sound. Since the exact procedure varies depending on your iOS version, simply follow the instructions provided by the software. And that's a quick look at the new features included in TunesKit iPhone Unlocker version 4.0. The new password manager makes it easier than ever to find saved Wi-Fi passwords and other account credentials on your iPhone. And the camera sound tool provides an additional option for supported devices and regions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.